Wagwan guys, so last week my wife was like, babe, do you know you've been wasting free data for like 2 years now, especially you that do a lot of subscription. And I have been wasting a bonus that MTN gives to everybody, like on MTN Pulse. So I laughed and I checked, and it turns out that MTN Pulse has actually given me this hidden Pulse points, and you earn them anytime that you recharge, you text, you buy or share data. You can redeem them for free data, and I didn't know. But here is the mad part: they expire after 12 months. So that means the one for 2024 has expired. So I'm beginning to accumulate new ones, maybe in the last 365 days or even for 2025. And I checked mine for this year, so I see that I have about 3,000 naira worth of points. It is just sitting there and doing nothing, and would have wasted again. That would have gone to total waste, and I didn't know. If I didn't find out, if my wife didn't tell me. Meanwhile, my wife had been redeeming her own. Do you get? So here is what you need to know about getting this free data using your MTN Pulse. The first thing is how to check if you are on MTN Pulse. So just dial *406*3*1#. If you are not on MTN Pulse, I will tell you how to. So let's talk about how to join MTN Pulse. Dial *406*1# or text 406 to 131. It is totally free and it takes just a few seconds to do that. Then how do you check your Pulse point and redeem it? Maybe to use it to buy data. Dial *406*7#. You will see your points balance and option to convert it to data or get discount on data bundles. The more active you are, especially with buying bigger data bundles. The good thing is that you are buying the bigger data bundles, you're already getting value for that, and now you are getting extra value. The more points you earn, even sharing your data even adds to your points. I know for some people this might also be valuable. It might help you to have the data, maybe like for applying for jobs on Upwork, Fiverr and other platforms. So even MTN must have noticed that most people don't redeem them. You can check your own points today. So just dial *406*7#. Join Pulse if you are not on Pulse. So you can also share this video with someone that you think might need some free data.